Alright, here's a way to clean your vinyl. This one just looks pretty bad, so I figured I'd film it real quick. Got some Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And generally you can just use water. I happen to have a little bit of leather and vinyl cleaner on here, but water will work if it is heavy dirt that's worked its way in like this has, and it's a little worse than this. An all-purpose cleaner can work well. You just want to make sure that if you get any of that all-purpose cleaner on the fiberglass that's nearby, you make sure to get that nice and cleaned off. So there's the outside before and after. Obviously, if it's dirty on the outside, it's probably going to be dirty on the inside as well, so you want to make sure not to miss that. Also underneath, alright, so I filmed this one-handed, so I apologize if it was out of frame at any time. Trying to focus on what I'm doing and filming it as a side note here. Alright, so there's after. The other one over here, same deal. Just as dirty, if not more dirty. So I'll be doing that one next.